Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this blurry shadow frame on CapCut PC. So you are going to select any video that you want, of course. So I'm just going to quickly scroll down and select a video like this one. And I'm just going to copy and paste that. Whoops. Okay. And I'm just going to make it smaller than this one. Select this, and then you're going to go to effects and you're going to search for blur. Then you're going to add it on the background like so. You can adjust the blur here. I'm just going to make it like that. Then go to media and go to library again and add in this black stock video. If it is too short, just freeze frame it so you can extend the duration. Go to video, go to mask, and select rectangle. Create this like kind of frame, and you're just going to simply feather that out. Voila, that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!